Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, today is not just a date on the calendar. 26 January is the day when the soul of India found its voice, the day when our nation chose law over fear, unity over divisions, and hopes over despair. On this historic day in 1950, India gives herself a constitution, a sacred promise written with wisdom, sacrifice, and visions. It was crafted under the leadership of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. After 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days of tireless effort, so that every Indian could live with dignity, equality, and freedoms. Republic Day reminds us that freedom is not just about waving a flag, it is about living responsibly, speaking truthfully, and standing for justice even when it is difficult. Our tricolor does not fly because of the wind, it flies because of breath of millions of dreams. The dreams of farmers, soldiers, teachers, students, and workers who believe in a stronger and kinder India. As we youth of this great nation, we must remember the future of India does not depend on tomorrow. It depends on what we do today. Let us promise that we will not only celebrate Republic Day but live its value every single day. Let our actions write a new chapter of honesty, unity, and courage. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.